You didn't change. They heard something else. I'm Queen. This is Intercultural Growth. You spoke clearly. You knew what you wanted to say. But something shifted in the room. In some cultures, confidence shows clarity. In others, it can sound like you're not listening. Meaning doesn't travel alone. Context travels with it. Intercultural growth isn't about lowering your confidence. It's about adjusting your signal. The message stays the same. The delivery changes. You weren't being arrogant. You were being misread. They were listening through a different lens. Growth is knowing when to stand firm and when to soften the edge. Confidence isn't the problem. Context is.